Did you know you can be fully approved for government care and still receive absolutely nothing for years? There is a list. Most people have never heard of it. It's called the Medicaid Waiver Waitlist, and right now, tens of thousands of families are sitting on it, approved, qualified, and completely on their own. For families raising a child with Cornelia de Lange syndrome, this list is not a bureaucratic footnote. It is the shape of their entire life. It means a mother leaves her career because the respite care the state promised is still not here. It means a father works a double shift and then comes home to work another one. It means a marriage built on love starts bending under the weight of zero backup year after year after year. The system did not say no. That is the part that breaks you. It said yes, and then it said wait, and the waiting has no end date. These families are not asking for sympathy. They are asking for what was already promised. That is the fight, and most of them are fighting it in complete silence.